Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 97 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 97 of the Indian Penal Code is about right to private defense against body and property. So we will understand in this video about the provision given in the Bare Act regarding section 97. We will also analyze it and understand it with example. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page because there are numerous playlists on the YouTube channel page on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC, Constitution of India, and there are very knowledgeable and informative videos in both Hindi as well as English. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 97 of the Indian Penal Code provides private defense against body and property. So what is, we will analyze it, but before we will understand what is the provision under section 97. So let's read what is given under section 97. Section 97 of the Indian Penal Code says right of private defense of the body and of property. Means every person has a right to private defense of body and of property subject to the restriction contained in section 99. Section 99, there are certain restrictions. These restrictions are meant for a public servant. If a public servant or anybody went on an order given by the government or the court, then the right of private defense ceases. So this is about this is only against those people who are not going from the government side or from the court or any public servant. Otherwise, the right of private defense exists for every other person. Now, what is the provisions? The first is his body and the body of any other person against the offense affecting the human body. If he thinks or he feels that there is an attack on the body of his body or any other body, or he has apprehension that somebody is going to attack on him or any other person, then he has the right to private defense. Secondly, the property, whether movable or immovable, of himself or any other person against any act which is an offense falling under the definition of theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass, or which is an attempt to commit theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass. So he has not just a right of private defense against his own property but against the property of others. If he thinks if somebody is doing an act of theft, trespass, robbery, dacoity, or there is an apprehension that it is going to be, these people are going to loot or they will do dacoity at the place, then in these circumstances, in this situation, the person has right to take self-defense, and no action in the self-defense taken in the self-defense is an offense. So this is all about section 97 of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.